Alright, so this is the Seagull 1963 chronograph. You can see the blue hands here are just the running time, so hour, minutes, and seconds. On the left subdial, you got your center chronograph seconds hand and the minute hand here. So if you start it, we'll start the second hand running. Once it gets up to a minute, this hand will jump to the 1 minute position. And there it goes. So now it's jumped to 1 minute. It only counts to 30 minutes, so after another 29 minutes, it'll just be back where it started. And then to reset it, you just pause it with this pusher and reset. And it snaps the hands back. So from the other side, you can see this here is the center seconds wheel, and that's the minute wheel there. Correspond to the dials on the other side of it. Wind it a little. See also the balance wheel here ticking away. So we'll start, and when we start it, you'll notice there's the plunger goes in here, and then there's this long piece here which comes all the way down here and activates the column wheel here. You'll see the column wheel rotates. It will cause this little running wheel here to mesh with the center seconds wheel and start the clock, the chronograph running, and it'll also get this reset hammer piece here, this sort of fork looking thing. It'll move that out of the way. So we can start that there. Now it's running. You can see the center seconds wheel is turning. As it turns, you can see coming around on the side here is this cam right there. Little just curved shiny piece of silvery metal, which will become relevant when the reset function is activated later. Now right there you can see the reset, the little finger on the other opposite end of the cam. It's going to mesh with this little wheel, which is going to mesh with that wheel, which will increment the minute counter. So minute has been incremented by 1 there, so it's now counted 1 minute. We'll wait for that to come back around again so you can see. There it comes back around again. And there's the next minute. And now when the watch is paused, you see the comm wheels rotated again and disconnects this little running wheel here from that center seconds wheel. And then when we reset, see this big fork thing here with the two flat hammers on the ends. Reset the minute and second wheels to reset the chronograph. And there it goes. Just like that.